Hi everyone, this is Rick Brain with MLC CAD Systems. If we haven't met before, I'm one of the customer service experts you might work with if you call in or submit a technical request to answer a SOLIDWORKS question. First off, let's go over the agenda for today's presentation. I'd like to start off by giving you an overview of the benefits included with your SOLIDWORKS subscription. Some of these included benefits may not even be known by the customers, or they're underutilized or maybe even forgot about. Then we'll take a quick look at the details of each of those benefits and provide reasons why you may consider using some or even all of them if you're not doing so already. I also want to talk about what happens when your subscription expires. And finally, we'll review a summary to help make sure you and your organization are getting the full value of the subscription benefits included with SOLIDWORKS. Here's an overview of the SOLIDWORKS subscription benefits. You get access to new SOLIDWORKS software releases and upgrades, live technical support with our SOLIDWORKS experts, save as a previous version starting with SOLIDWORKS 2024, free exam vouchers for SOLIDWORKS certifications, access to cloud services in the 3D Experience platform, SOLIDWORKS Visualize to create photo quality images of CAD models, SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard to create numeric code for CNC machines, MySolidworks online training modules, and access to the SOLIDWORKS knowledge base. Let's take a closer look at each of these benefits. First and foremost, each subscription includes access to SOLIDWORKS software releases and upgrades. With each major release, SOLIDWORKS provides a mountain of new enhancements to help users design more efficiently. For example, a few enhancements for SOLIDWORKS 2024 included new hole wizard features, making multi-body parts from assemblies, performance improvements throughout the software, and even long-awaited features such as saving SOLIDWORKS files as a previous versions, which we'll touch on more in just a few minutes. Throughout the year, SOLIDWORKS also releases several service packs to improve the software. These are simple to access in the SOLIDWORKS downloads page, download to your computer and unzip, and then run the upgrade. Without an active subscription, you would never be able to use the new productivity tools, or you might be stuck on a version which is no longer compatible with the rest of your computer's hardware or software. Having access to these upgrades easily makes maintaining a subscription worth it. Along with new releases and upgrades, MLC CAD Systems organizes annual launch and customer appreciation events to help our customers make the most of our new product enhancements. These events include an overview of new enhancements, tips and tricks, and probably the best benefit is a chance to speak to the MLC CAD Systems technical experts in person. Speaking of working directly with our experts, you can get all the upgrades you want. Though if you ever run into any unexpected behavior, have trouble with an installation, or maybe just a quick how-to question, nothing beats live technical support. It's quick and easy to submit a request to the MLC CAD Systems technical support team by phone, email, or by using our web form. Each request is entered into our technical support queue where one of our experts will reach out and work with you to answer your question and resolve your challenge. We can even connect for a screen share to see firsthand what you are experiencing and provide guidance for even the most complex challenges. We're here to help make sure that your questions are answered quickly, and if you are unfortunate enough to be down, we can get you back up and working in SOLIDWORKS as quickly as possible. So live technical support is one of the benefits that may pay for itself the first time you contact us. This next benefit includes a feature which has been requested since the beginning of time. And finally, starting with SOLIDWORKS 2024, you can save SOLIDWORKS files as a fully functional previous version as long as you have an active subscription. The current release can be saved back to the previous two releases. Pack and Go also supports this functionality, which makes creating copies of your designs for users working in previous versions quick and easy. Once opened in a previous version, all features and options are accessible to edit and continue saving in that version. This may be one of the most requested enhancements of all time, and without a subscription, you will not be able to take advantage of this functionality. Moving on to SOLIDWORKS certifications, these certifications are a symbol of the user's knowledge, skill, and competency with SOLIDWORKS software. Achieving a certification for a specific topic allows you to prove to yourself and others that you are competent with the tools within SOLIDWORKS. Many users are surprised to find out SOLIDWORKS certifications are actually included with each subscription. Without a subscription, these certification exams can cost up to $150 each. The SOLIDWORKS certification program includes certification on nearly every core design topic within the software. Each certification exam includes a syllabus with what to expect, passing grade, and an example exam. The certifications can be accessed from your 3D Experience Certification Tester account, where you can review exam scores and download a copy of your certificates. You can visit our website listed at the top of this slide for instructions on how to get those free exam vouchers. Each seat of SOLIDWORKS on subscription service is entitled to one free core mechanical design exam, such as the Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate or Certified SOLIDWORKS Professional. One free advanced topic exam, such as SOLIDWORKS Sheet Metal, Drawings, Weldments, or Surfacing. And finally, one free specialty topic exam, such as Flow Simulation. The exam voucher redemption process can be completed twice in a calendar year, one from January 1st to June 30th, and then again July 1st through December 31st. And the vouchers are valid for 180 days from when they were obtained. So browse the certification topics and tackle the exams for your industry, or simply start with the Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate and start climbing the certification ladder from there. We also have several SOLIDWORKS certification prep video series which can be found on our YouTube channel. Let's switch gears to SOLIDWORKS Cloud Services, which is fairly new to the SOLIDWORKS subscription. Basically, this service provides your company with its own private space on the 3D Experience platform, which is a fancy term for cloud-based system. By using a web browser, the 3D Experience platform allows you to store and revise files in a cloud storage system, collaborate with internal or external users of your organization to share and mark up those files, as well as manage and control the life cycle of the files with an easy-to-use, out-of-the-box functionality. The system includes secure file storage, there's no IT needed, it's always up to date and accessible everywhere, local cache performance, manages file references, supports a multi-user collaboration environment, and is a full data management system. Have you ever needed to have a photo of your products? Well, SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a powerful software that makes it easy to create photo quality images, animations, and other 3D content directly from your SOLIDWORKS models. Visualize is available to download for every SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium license on active subscription. Each seat of SOLIDWORKS Visualize comes with its own standalone serial number, which means it can be installed on any computer which doesn't already have SOLIDWORKS. Depending on the image requirements of your organization, Visualize can be used by anyone in your company, from design to marketing, to create whatever product images are needed. So if your company can benefit from photo quality image of your CAD models, I recommend you start using SOLIDWORKS Visualize today. SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard is included with each active SOLIDWORKS subscription, including SOLIDWORKS Standard. This is a fully integrated 2.5 access computer-aided machining add-in right inside SOLIDWORKS to create toolpaths and numeric code for CNC machines. SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard lets you quickly program individual milled parts and configurations without ever leaving your SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD environment. Users have full access to a technology database to define rules per your company standards, as well as tolerance-based machining. If you have a 2.5 access CNC, SOLIDWORKS CAM can help you get your products from design to machine much faster. Let's move on to training benefits. Did you know you have 24/7 online access to over 600 online training modules? Well, you do when you use your 3D Experience ID to log into my.solidworks.com and click on that training tab. Each subscription customer can access a wide range of professionally created lessons and learning paths through MySolidworks training. The filters on the left can help you narrow down the categories. Each lesson module consists of explanations, videos, and quizzes as a knowledge check. There are also learning paths, which are groups of lessons encompassing a specific topic, such as SOLIDWORKS CAD Fundamentals, which contains 47 individual lessons from learning the user interface to editing parts, assigning materials, exploded views, clearance detection, bills of materials, and so much more. The content is created by SOLIDWORKS experts, and you can learn at your own pace to gain a new skill, sharpen existing ones, or even prepare for taking one of the many SOLIDWORKS certification exams. Our last subscription benefit is certainly not the least. Users get access to the SOLIDWORKS knowledge base, which provides access to a wealth of technical content for all Dassault System products, including SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience applications. The knowledge base includes simple filters to help narrow down the search results, as well as a favorite section so you can store results for future reference. In this example, I'm searching for a somewhat common error when installing on a new computer: activation count exceeded. Using the filters on the left side, I can narrow the results to SOLIDWORKS to view the 12 relevant results. The first result is related to Solid Network License Manager. It looks like the second result may be a little bit more relevant for me. Clicking the link displays detailed information related to the activation count exceeded error, as well as the step-by-step instructions of the solution to transfer the license from my currently activated computer before trying to activate it on the new one. The knowledge base has been building for years and is packed with detailed solutions, so log in and give it a try. Now that we know what's included with our SOLIDWORKS subscription, let's take a minute to learn what happens if the subscription expires. A significant benefit, which you're going to lose access to, is the ability to download and install upgrades. Without an active subscription, you can't download SOLIDWORKS using the installation manager, so be sure to save your downloads. You're going to need those later. Another benefit which you'll lose access to is live technical support. Our support team is only authorized to provide support and answer questions for customers with an active subscription. It's also worth noting that SOLIDWORKS Visualize and SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard will stop working if a subscription expires, since they're subscription-based products. If you try to launch SOLIDWORKS Visualize or use SOLIDWORKS CAM, a warning indicating a license could not be obtained is going to display and prevent you from using the software. The option to save SOLIDWORKS files as a previous version will also no longer be available. And lastly, you would lose access to the knowledge base, 3D Experience cloud services, along with access to any files you had saved in that cloud storage, as well as access to the valuable MySolidworks online training. If your subscription does expire, know you can renew at any time by contacting your MLC CAD Systems account rep. So what did we cover today? Each SOLIDWORKS subscription includes access to new SOLIDWORKS software releases and upgrades, live technical support with our SOLIDWORKS experts, save SOLIDWORKS files as a previous version, free exam vouchers for SOLIDWORKS certifications, access to cloud services in the 3D Experience platform, SOLIDWORKS Visualize to create photo quality images of your CAD models, SOLIDWORKS CAM to create toolpaths and code for CNC machines, MySolidworks training to learn new and sharpen existing skills, and last but certainly not least, access to the SOLIDWORKS knowledge base to track down answers and solutions to common questions and behaviors. I hope you and your organization find some value in these included subscription benefits. I know I did as a customer, and I think you will too.